So today it's the on-the-air test for the Midland 98 Plus that we were servicing for a customer the other day. I still need to fit replacement transistors in the squelch circuit because it's generating internal noise, but that shouldn't affect the way it performs. So we'll see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. He's going on our usual 6-mile test route, the wrong side of a hill, and he's going to start from base and do it that way round. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21 receiving you. You're a bit quiet.
Okay, I better talk a bit closer to it over.
Roger. Right, I'm at the end of the lane, so I'll crack on.
Roger on that, yes, got you at the end of the lane. Roger on that, got you passing the service station loud and clear.
Roger. Right, it's going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Got you going through Ancaster Crossroads, Roger.
Right, just up at the top of the hill before we go down into Wilson.
Roger, got you loud and clear going at the top of the hill. Yes, for those of you if you didn't watch the servicing video on this, this radio has a scan feature, but it only scans the 40 channels and then it goes back to the channel you're on. So if I press scan now to look for a channel in use, and as soon as it's clear it will go back to 31. So it only scans the once, which I think is disappointing. It's an 80 channel set, so it's EU or UK. Up down on the radio and also on the microphone. The EU UK buttons also on the microphone, on off and squelch, and it's got this ESP it's kind of signal processing on receive. I never found it any use to me, but it's there nevertheless. We had these. Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner over. Oh good, that's him at Scratchy Corner. Yeah, so we had 3 cars with what these fitted in, all of them at the time, in 2001. So, you know, we'd kind of have done a lot of miles with these kind of radios, although this one's a customer's. Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn, loud and clear. Roger, I've got you at Grayleys. Yes, I've noticed we have, yes. I'm receiving you though at Grayleys over.
Yeah, got you now.
Roger, got you at Rossby level crossing. I'm going to be doing a quick piece to camera for the base with the base station, and then I'll swap radios over if you care to pull up over.
Yeah, roger that. So I'll go round and stand by over.
Okay, Roger, thank you. So I'll just go and do that. I'll just drop the customer's mic on the floor. I'll just go and put the camera in front of our base station, and we can all see how it sounds.
Testing the Midland 98 Plus to our Harrier CB82 base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Thank you for watching.